Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's do another knot. This is the improvised knot because we're just going to improvise as we do it. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. And I'm going to come over, put in a dimple here. Come up and over like that. I'm going to come around once and twice. And then we're going to come around once, twice like that. And just kind of pull these out like so. Let's do a wreath. Come around like this. And now on this side it's going to be folded in half. I'm going to come through this with it folded in half. Like so. Fold that in half. Let's put this folded in half through the wreath here. Underneath it like that. I like that right there. So it's just folded. It's just folded in half and it kind of creases like that. Let's find a place to display that. Again, we're improvising. So let's just improvise. And let's just twist it around like so and put it down like this. Boom, there you have it, the improvised knot. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.